How to change Taobao app into English. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Taobao app into English on your Taobao phone app. So to get started, once you open your Taobao app, as you can see here, it's in Mandarin Chinese. You just need to go over to My Taobao, down this bottom right corner. Click on Settings here at the top right corner. You're going to want to go to here, which is your region, language, and currency. At the top, you would want to click on this button and click your country. So I'll just click mine here, and I'll just click my language into English, and my currency says that. Click confirm, and now your Taobao app is in English, and you're done.